Devine Productions here with a race to the finish. Who is quicker, the Keurig or the Bunn? Dun dun dun. I love my Bunn. Anyway, here's what we're doing. We're going to pour 1 cup into the Bunn. Now, we're going to see which. I don't even need the burner turned on. We're going to see which is going to be faster. Go ahead, flip yours down.
It takes a second.
Oh, it takes a second. Well, what do you mean it takes a second? Why do you got to wait? Look, I don't have my lid down yet.
Close your lid.
And they're off. Look at that! And the Bunn is in the lead. What? Oh, and it hadn't even started yet. Look at her go. Oh, you go, baby. You go. Still nothing. Man, I could have went ahead and made like 4 cups. Yes. Look, that thing's almost done. And it's just now priming. There it goes. It's dribbling now. It's dribbling. Where's my coffee cup? Oh, Sazon. La 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 la. Cheers. La 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 la. Here, let me just do this. There. Put the Bunn out front. My Bunn won. Shake my buns. Well, there we have it. Buns rule! Devine Productions out. All right, y'all. As y'all know, that video was just for fun. We had a lot of fun doing it. Yes, the Bunn did it a little bit faster, but when you think about it, they're both great products. Okay? If you think about the time that it takes, take the coffee filter out, put a new coffee filter in it, add coffee to it, put it back in it, pour your water in. It's actually the same amount of time to get 1 cup of coffee. This is a little more convenient with the Keurig. Flip it open, put your K-cup in, close it, press the button, walk away, you come back, you got a cup of coffee. All right. This one, pull the filter out, put a new filter in it, put your coffee grounds in it, put it back in there, pour the water in, close it, come back, you got a cup of coffee. All right. But I still love my Bunn. Oh, my Bunn. Bunn, Bunn, Bunn. Anyway, Devine Productions out.